Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Hannah from Stardust Dance Academy, and in this video I'm going to perform for you some of my choreography to the song Space Between from Descendants 2. I've also made a separate video where I break down and teach this choreography step by step, so if you're interested in learning it, you can click the link below.
I didn't know what you were going through. I thought that you were fine. What did you have to hide? I didn't want to let you down, but the truth is out. It's tearing me apart. Not listening to my heart. I would never stop you, even though we changed to change. And you can find me in the space between, where two worlds come to meet. I'll never be out of reach, 'cause you're a part of me, so you can find me in the space between. You'll never be alone, no matter where you go. We can meet in the space between.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that choreography, and don't forget, if you want to learn it, I've made that separate video for you where I break down all of the steps. So check out that link below, and I hope you enjoy learning it. If you've enjoyed this dance and you'd like me to make more videos like this one, or if you've got any song requests for me, drop me a comment below because I would love to hear from you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more dance videos.
But the truth is